Hi guys, this is Sarah and I just wanted to take a second to tell you how much I love the Get Stretchy program by Action Jacqueline, especially the 30-day split challenge, which I once started to do. Unfortunately, life came in between and I got a bit off track, but now I want to do it all over again, which is the beauty of the program because you can do it whenever you want to, how often you want to, which is perfect. And yeah, Jacqueline explains it all so great in detail that you know exactly what you shall do, what you shall not do, which is important to not get injured. So I have, a very good feeling when doing the videos with her. As a teacher, I feel very safe to not get hurt. And in the end, it does so much for you, not just for your body, but also mentally. It just gives you so many positive feelings on so many different levels that, yeah, I'm just looking forward to do it all over again. So cross your fingers for me that I will manage to do the split soon, and I will keep you posted.